What's going on, guys? Thanks for joining my channel, Robinhood. This is Bob. Today is Wednesday, September 2nd, and today we are going to talk about week 6 of my $2,500 investment in Norwegian Cruise Line. So let's get started. So today, Norwegian Cruise Line was up 0.3%, but in the after hours, it did fall 0.35%. If you look at the week, they're up 4.31%. It was a little bit of a rocky week with a low of 1646 and went all the way up to about 1778. So that's a decent amount of swing up and down, but it pretty much finished on where it was started. If you look at the month, it's up 33%. The 3-month, it's down 3.42%. And for the year, they're down 66.32%. So this is still a good amount to grow. I don't see it getting anywhere near these numbers anytime soon, but I would say probably late in the year, if not early next year. I think it still can get to this mark here that it did on June 8th. So around $25 to $30 is my guesstimate, as long as they start sailing by the very end of this year or very beginning of next year. I believe they can get up to the $25 to $30 range. So let's look at the numbers here. So I did do one contract, sold a put for $25, expiring 12/18, held a $2,500 collateral. It says today's return is $8 and total return is $160, but let me just go over the real numbers if this was executed and what the real numbers would be. So like I said, I sold one put at $25 that expires 12/18/2020 for Norwegian Cruise Line. The bid, which is the low end, is $9.55. The ask on the high end is at $9.95. The mark is always the average between the bid and the ask, which is $9.75. The last sale was at $9.83, but there was no volume today, but this was the last sale. And my price that I got it 6 weeks ago was at $11.35. So my total investment that I had to put a collateral of $2,500, but they did give me a premium to do this at $1,135. So the money I actually have in here invested would be $1,365. So this gives my break-even price by selling this put at $13.65. The current price is at $16.93. So if you take the current price minus my break-even price, will give you a positive $3.28. And of course, when you're selling a put or a call, you're getting 100 shares of it, so you times it by 100, which would be $328. I'm still sitting at about a 24% profit. It only went up about 1 penny from last video, but penny is still a gain. So let's go over some news. Not a whole bunch going on. Suspensions are still till October 31st, 2020, which is good news that they didn't push it back farther, and this is worldwide. So in Europe, though, they did cancel until November 30th, 2020. Australia and New Zealand has been pushed back from October to sometime in November. But if you did get a cruise, if you did plan a cruise and it did get canceled, you can get a full refund, or a lot of cruises are giving you cruise credits worth 125% of what you paid on the cruise. So this is for a cruise fare only, so it doesn't count taxes or gratuity or dockport fees or anything like that. But what I would suggest, if you do plan on still doing the cruise, you just get the credit, because I'm pretty sure early 2021, mid or late, you can get a better, longer stay, you get a better room, or you can go at a better time that's more convenient for you as well if you are planning. So I would recommend to get the credit. That's all going to be it for today, guys. Please, guys, support my channel. Definitely trying to get to the 100 on my next goal. Hit the like, subscribe, and don't forget to comment below if you have any questions or comments. Thank you, guys.